Hey everyone, I'm Rick and welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of earbuds that let in too much noise, drain battery fast, or lack that immersive sound for your workouts or commutes, then get excited because today we're diving into the JBL Live Beam 3. These noise-canceling closed-stick earbuds deliver JBL's signature sound with deep bass, up to 40 hours of total playtime with the case, smart adaptive noise cancellation, a touchscreen charging case for easy control, IP55 water and dust resistance, and app customization for EQ and more. Grab them on Amazon through the link in the description, and trust me, if you want crystal clear calls, comfortable fit for all-day wear, and audio that blocks out the world while keeping you connected, these are the earbuds that'll upgrade your listening game. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours. Let's break down the features on the JBL Live Beam 3. These earbuds have a sleek, closed-stick design that's ergonomic and secure with multiple ear tip sizes for a custom fit, weighing just a few grams each so they're comfy for hours. Sound is powered by 10mm drivers tuned for JBL's pure bass profile, delivering rich lows, balanced mids, and crisp highs that shine for music, podcasts, or movies. Active noise cancellation uses adaptive tech to automatically adjust to your environment, blocking out distractions like traffic or office chatter, while the smart ambient mode lets in important sounds when needed. Battery life is impressive, up to 10 hours per charge with ANC on, extending to 40 hours with the wireless charging case that supports Qi wireless pads. The case has a unique 1.5-inch touchscreen that lets you control music, check battery levels, adjust ANC, or even find your earbuds without pulling out your phone. Connectivity is via Bluetooth 5.3 for stable, low-latency pairing with multiple devices, and it includes 6 mics for clear calls with noise reduction. The JBL Headphones app allows EQ presets like bass boost or vocal focus, firmware updates, and personalization like touch control remapping. They're IP55 rated for sweat and dust resistance, perfect for gym sessions or outdoor runs. Setup is simple. Pop them out of the case, pair once, and they're ready. Priced around $150 to $200, they come with a 2-year warranty and feel premium with matte finishes in colors like black or blue. Now, pros and cons to keep it balanced. The pros are sounding great. Powerful bass and clear audio that rivals higher-end buds. Excellent adaptive noise cancellation for focus or travel. Long 40-hour total battery with quick charging. Innovative touchscreen case for convenient control. Comfortable, secure fit with IP55 resistance for active use. And app features that let you tweak everything to your liking. Users rave about the call quality in noisy places, how the ANC blocks distractions without pressure, and the value for such feature-packed earbuds. On the con side, the bass can be overwhelming for some genres without EQ adjustments. No wireless charging for the buds themselves, only the case. The touchscreen on the case can be a bit sensitive to accidental touches, and they're not the lightest for ultra-long wear. A few mention wishing for more color options, but overall, the pros dominate for daily users. My recommendation? Absolutely, go for the JBL Live Beam 3 if you need reliable, noise-canceling earbuds for work, exercise, or travel. And the pros like long battery, adaptive ANC, and the smart case make sense for you. They're perfect for commuters, fitness fans, or anyone ditching wired headphones. Before we wrap, if these reviews tune up your audio setup, hit subscribe for more gear guides. And click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and scores you the current deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a buddy who needs better earbuds, or subscribe for more. See you next time.